What is your favorite activity?
My favorite activity is playing sports and dancing.
Sports and dancing.
Yes.
Well, why do you like those things?
These things make us strong and healthy and gives us better.
What types of dancing do you like to do?
I like doing Fortnite dances.
Okay, great. How do you learn dancing?
I learned dancing from watching videos.
You think dance can help you to be fit?
Yes, very much. It depends.
Do you like to watch movie?
Yes, I like to watch movies a lot.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie might be coming soon. It's called Five Nights at Freddy's.
How can you learn something from movie?
We can learn something from movies. Either it's listenable or not listenable.
Do you learn anything from any movie?
Yes,
Can you say something about your favorite movie?
but my favorite movie is basically coming soon.